everyone. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. You are once again welcome to my channel. I want to use this medium to appreciate all my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for remaining with me. Thanks for your huge support. Thanks for all the love. I love you guys right back. Thanks so much. In today's video, I'll be making a review, my most honest review on one of the most beautiful products out there in the market. The product is a very beautiful product that can be used on the skin, also can be used on the hair. The product is no other product but I'm going to show you BON Liquid Gold Pure Tissue Oil. I'll be leaving the picture on the screen so you know the product I'm talking about today. This product is a very good product, it's an amazing product. Before I start to review this product, I want to tell you some of the things that you gain by using tissue oil. What exactly does tissue oil do? Tissue oil is a kind of oil that permeates into the skin and helps in making the skin glow and making the skin look ageless. Another good thing that tissue oil does is that it's a very good oil for treatment of acne. If you have an acne prone skin, my dear, go get a pure tissue oil. It will help you. One good thing about this tissue oil is that it prevents acne from appearing. How does it do that? Tissue oil helps in preventing the overproduction of sebum. Sebum is the excess oil that we have on the skin. So tissue oil helps in preventing your skin from overproducing sebum, thereby preventing you from having acne or pimples. Another good thing that tissue oil does is that it is a very good oil for treatment of scars on the skin. Tissue oil will help fade scars on the skin. It is also a very good oil for anti-aging skin. It is also an oil that must be used if you want your skin to glow. If you want your skin to look younger every day, you must have to put tissue oil in your skincare products. Yes, my dear, tissue oil is a very good oil for all weather. Then, if you have a dry skin, if your skin is always looking flaky, if your skin is always looking dehydrated, my dear, run and go get tissue oil. Tissue oil will help your skin to remain hydrated. It will also help your skin to remain glowing. It will help your skin to maintain its sebum instead of drying out. Tissue oil is the answer to your problem. Okay? Also, another good thing that tissue oil does is that it is a very good oil for stretch marks. If you have an existing stretch marks on your skin, my dear, you need tissue oil. Tissue oil will help to prevent stretch marks from appearing, especially for our pregnant mamas. If you are pregnant and you are afraid that as your tummy is expanding, you will have stretch marks, my dear, go get tissue oil and apply on that tummy, apply on your sensitive areas, and you will not have any eruption of stretch marks on your skin. So guys, I will want to go right into the review of this great product that I have used and has been tested by my clients, has been tested by my friends, and I have obtained good reviews on it. I said let me run here and tell you guys how to use this tissue oil and what you will gain from this exact tissue oil I'm going to reveal on today. So guys, do not go anywhere. Stay with me. Let us run through this video together. The tissue oil I am reviewing today is usually here in Nigeria we call it Bond tissue oil. BOL, liquid gold pure tissue oil. In the carton, this is the carton. The carton is brown. The color is brown with a lemon inscription on it, kind of a design on it, so you know what you're getting. And down it has the barcode of the company. So guys, this tissue oil is called Born Natural Oils Liquid Gold Pure Tissue Oil. This tissue oil is for treatment of scars, stretch marks, just like I told you, and for wrinkles. I forgot to mention that tissue oil also helps in evening out the wrinkles on your face. If you have an aging mother, if you have an aging father, or you have wrinkles on your face, my dear, get this tissue oil and apply it on your face and watch it fade away. Yes, this tissue oil is for treatment of scars, just like I've mentioned. It is also for treatment of stretch marks on any area of your skin. What you just need is to be consistent in the usage of this tissue oil, and over time you will watch it even out and you will have your beautiful skin to float. Also, it is good for aging skin. I mentioned that earlier. And for dehydrated skin or for dry skin. That's what the company wrote that this tissue oil does. And exactly that's what you gain by using tissue oil. At the back of the carton, the company also wrote that this tissue oil is clinically proven with results. For skin hydration, it has percentage of 43%. For skin smoothness, it has percentage of 17. For skin firmness, yes, when you use tissue oil, it firms the skin. Tissue oil helps in maintaining the elasticity of your skin. How does it do that? When your skin expands, like a pregnant woman, when your skin expands, if you are using tissue oil, because of the usage of tissue oil, when you put to bed, the skin comes back, it relaxes without breakage. That's one of the advantages of using tissue oil. So you understand that. Also, the tissue oil also helps in wrinkles treatment. For wrinkles treatment, the company rated this product at 14%. I want to go ahead to read out the ingredients that are contained in this beautiful tissue oil. One of the major ingredients that we have in this product is avocado oil. Avocado oil helps in relieving dry and itchy skin. It is rich in sterolines, which assists with skin recovery. I use a lot of avocado butter in making my skin butter, and I tell you guys, I lack the English word to explain the benefits of that butter. So this avocado oil is the oil extracted from avocado. I understand what this oil can do on the skin. It helps in recovering the skin, for a bleached skin, for a skin that is damaged. Avocado oil helps to revive it back, helps to bounce it back, and you get your skin back. Also, this tissue oil contains grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil helps in diminishing the signs of aging. It also helps in moisturizing the skin and tightening the skin. Also, grapeseed oil helps in toning the skin and leaving your skin glowing and flawless. This tissue oil also contains rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is another good oil that is rich in natural vitamins, which assists in skin recovery and also helps in improving skin elasticity. Remember what I told you? When your skin stretches out and comes back, there will not be any trace that there was a stretch at any point in time. That's what you gain from this tissue oil. Also, this tissue oil contains vitamin E. Vitamin E helps in diminishing the signs of aging, also helps in improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks. So guys, you know what I'm talking about. This oil is a must-have. It is something you should have in your collection, and it's something you should use on a daily basis. Do you get that? Something you must use. For an aging skin, you need it. For a pregnant mama, you need it. If you are losing weight, you need it. If you are gaining weight, you need it. If you have wrinkles, you need it. If you have acne, you need it. If you have a dehydrated skin, you need it. So you understand what I mean by saying that it's something that must be on your shelf, and it's something you must use on a daily basis. Okay? So how do you use this oil? You can add this is about 30 ml. It has, this is how it comes. You can add, for a 500 ml lotion or cream, you can add about 30 ml or 45 ml of tissue oil into the lotion and mix it very well and use on daily basis. Another thing that this tissue oil does is that it is also good for itchy scalp. Are you among the people that when you are seated, you are always hitting your hair? Always hitting your head and scratching? My dear, get this. Apply drops of it on your scalp and cover with a hot towel and leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes and remove it and see the wonders of this oil. Okay, so if you want to use for your lotion, you apply it to the lotion and mix very well and apply evenly on the skin. Another good thing about this oil is that it can be used alone. If you have areas on your skin that you want to use it, you can use it directly. Also, it can be used directly on the face, but avoid contact with the eye. And if by adventure it enters into your eye, please wash off, okay? And you are good to go. For wrinkles, apply on the affected area. For acne, apply all over the face. And please leave your review down and thank me later. Okay guys, I am grateful and I appreciate you being around. Please do not forget to like this video. Don't forget to also share. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please join this beautiful community and let us grow together. Till next time, I still remain yours, Cindy. Do have an awesome day.